There's definitely a lot of innovation required in this space, and I don't think that there is a new normal yet. I think that we're all in a new era of trying to understand what AI data centers need for their infrastructure. We've done, decades of air cooling, and now with chips, well over 1,000 watts per chip, we have to move to liquid. So in terms of the thermal challenges, the chips are just too hot that they do demand a new technology. And the operational challenges that brings along with it is really learning how you're going to implement liquid cooling in your data center and what are the different types of liquid cooling. And along those same lines, when operators are evaluating the different technologies, there's a bigger and bigger recognition that servicing and maintenance of different liquid cooling technologies is very different than what it was for air. So there's a whole industry that's needing to learn how to service this new, the poll just popped up, how to service this new technology in the data center. So a lot of education happening, which is how a lot of our customers come to us, is really trying to learn at first, okay, I'm buying this next generation of chips, what does that mean for cooling? And so we work through that with them. So there's a big learning curve, and the hard part of this is for everyone is that this is a learning curve on a technology that's probably the most expensive thing that's ever been brought into a data center. I mean, $50,000 a chip, $500,000 per server. Everyone wants to make sure that they make the right choice for the next decade or more, and that they're making a choice that fits in with their existing operational procedures, really. So I don't think the normal is defined yet, but I do think a lot of people in the industry across, in our sector in cooling, our leaders work a lot with ASHRAE, with OCP to define those new standards, and also, with government organizations and projects. We're working with the ARPA-E on the Cooler Chips project to just really benchmark and evaluate what normal should look like.